4536 divided by 32. This question is discussing about a concept, how to use a digital sum for fractions when the denominator digital sum is 5. When denominator digital sum is 5, to apply digital sum in fraction, the concept is denominator digital sum should be 1. But here 32, 3 plus 2, it is 5. So what we will do is, we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Why are we multiplying and dividing by 2? Because denominator digital sum will become 3 plus 2, 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 digital sum is 1. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 it is 9. 9 into 2 by 5 2s are 10. Digital sum is 1. 9 2s are 18. 18 digital sum is 9. 18 digital sum is 9. That means question digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. In a number, wherever the sum of the digits is 9, remove it. 1 plus 1, 2, remove. 5 plus 4, remove. So answer for this question is 141.75. 141.75. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Use the concept. Now here if you observe some key points, if you observe 4536 is 32 into question mark, 32 into question mark. 4536 is 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 9, 18, which is 9. 9. Left hand side it is 9. 3 plus 2, 5. Question mark. Left hand side it is 9. When I will get 9, 9 into any number digital sum is 9. 9 into any number digital sum is 9. That means answer digital sum should be 9. What is the concept? 9 into any number. 9 into any number. Answer digital sum is 9. 9 into any number. Answer digital sum it is 9. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 4536. Left hand side digital sum is 9. Right hand side 3 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 9 into any natural number digital sum should be 9. Just by looking at a question, numerator digital sum is 1. So answer digital sum should be 1. Which option digital sum is 9? 141.75. 141.75. Another important learning, whenever the denominator digital sum is 5, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. 5 2s are 10. Next, this question see. 15 into 1786 divided by 19 is equivalent to question mark plus 1 2 3 4. Question mark plus 1 2 3 4. What we will do is, we will set the left hand side digital sum same as the right hand side digital sum. Left hand side digital sum 15. 1 plus 5 6. 8 plus 1 9. 7 plus 6 13 4. 19 digital sum is 1 is equivalent to question mark plus 1 2 3 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. It is 1. 6 4s are 24. 2 plus 4 6. 6 minus 1 is question mark. Question mark digital sum should be 5. That means in the answer digital sum should be 5. Digital sum should be 5. Where it is 5? 8 plus 1 9 out. It is 4. 11 plus 1 12 3. 8 plus 1 out. 8 out. So answer for this question is 176. Answer for this question is 176. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Concept I hope it is clear, right? These digital sum is 8 plus 1 9 out. 7 plus 6 13 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 by 1 6. 6 minus 1. Question mark digital sum should be 5. Only option with the digital sum 5 is 176. 176. Now if you see here, if you observe closely, right, through observation, we can tell the answer as a D without even using the digital sum. Observation. See here, 15 into 1786 is equivalent to question mark plus 1234 into 19. 15 6 are 90. That means left hand side unit digit is 0. Left hand side unit digit is 0. Here it is not 9. That means this should give unit digit 0. This should give unit digit 0. Here it is 4. 4 plus which number unit digit will be 0? 4 plus 6 is 10. That means this digital sum is 6. I hope the idea it is clear. You don't need to do that concept of digital sum everything. 15 6 are 90. Left hand side digital sum unit digit it is 0. Right hand side also it should be 0. Here it is not 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. That means this question mark unit digit should be 6. Only option with the unit digit 6 is option D. This all comes with a tremendous amount of right practice and right solving a lot of practice problems. Now if you see, this is a question based on how to use the concept of digital sum in decimals. We will use the concept of digital sum in decimals just to do each and every right value digital sum. 8 into 3.75, 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 it is 6, 8 into 6 cube plus 1 divided by 7.5, 7 plus 5 12, 12 it is 3, it is 3 square minus 6.5, 6 plus 5 11, 11 it is 2, 11 it is 2. 8 into 3.75, 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 it is 6, 8 into 6 cube plus 1 divided by 7.5, 7 plus 5 12, 3, 3 square 9 minus 6.5 is 6 plus 5 11, 1 plus 1 2. 8 into 6 cube it is 216, 9 plus 1 divided by 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 2 7. Now listen carefully. Whenever the denominator digital sum is 7, whenever the denominator digital sum is 7, multiply the numerator and denominator with 4. Why are we doing it? 7 4s are 28. 2 plus 8 10. 1 plus 0 1. Idea is to make the denominator digital sum as 1. So this will become into 4, this will become into 4. 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 1, 73. 10. It is 1 4s are. 7 4s are 28. 10. 1 4s are 4. Answer digital sum. Answer digital sum. It should be 4. Answer digital sum. It should be 4. Where is the digital sum 4? 2 plus 7 9. 5 cannot be. 7 plus 4 11 plus 5 cannot be. 1.8 cannot be. 8.8 plus 5 13. 1 plus 3 4. Answer digital sum should be 4. The only option with the digital sum 4 is option D. I hope the concept is very much clear. Every value digital sum will not get affected even if there is a decimal. Digital sum is sum of the digits. Whatever